Elizabeth King, and I want to be America's Next Top Model. Why, you ask? Because I am fierce, and I can work it.
That's fabulous. Just fabulous. I am the judge, and I am named Tyra Schmanks. You go, girl.
Thank you.
Your fashion is horrible. Don't go, girl.
Hi, my name is Bella Luna, and I'm gonna be America's Next Top Model. Duh.
Are you kidding me? My name is Sticky, and you're horrible. I mean, if you were a bit taller, you'd be great. We love your fashion with the nice sparkle ensemble and blue hair. We love you, but you're just not tall enough. Sorry, love. Hello, my name is Twiggy, and I want to be America's Next Top Model. Well, you're quite great. You have fashion skills, and your face has a clear complexion, and you're just the perfect height and size and everything. Welcome to America's Next Top Model. I'm Twiggy. No, she's Twiggy.
I'm Sticky. And this has been an honor. And these are our final candidates of America's Next Top Model. Now we're going to show the winner by process of elimination. First, we're going to eliminate one from this couple. It is either going to be Twiggy or Earth Angel. Whatever her name was, I forgot it. Anyways, the winner out of this couple is Twiggy! No! No! That is so not fair! Ow. No! Twiggy, how do you feel? I feel great, and I've never been more honored in my life. And I'd just like to thank everyone, but the thing's not over. We still have a little bit to go. You're supposed to judge.
Oh, yes. I know that. Don't tell me how to do my job. Okay. We have 2 contestants left. And we are coming to a decision of who the winner is. The person's name that I will call is Twiggy! You're the winner! You lose. Oh dear! No, that will not be accepted.